Hello guys, today in this video I would like to talk about best backend frameworks in 2024 to learn. So basically I noted down all list of the best backend frameworks. Here if you're seeing my PPT you can able to see all the listed down frameworks. First is Node.js. Node.js is the basic. Node.js is powerful, open source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code on server side. And there are two important ones that allow these two frameworks. One is Express.js, another one is the Nest.js. If you are familiar with in TypeScript and if you want to write in RESTful services, microservices, go for the Nest.js. Express.js also is very best one to go for it, and RESTful API and web applications if you want to write. But my best one is here is the Nest.js because you need to implement in very large application, very complex applications. Nest.js is the best. If you want to move it in full full stack developer or something, and definitely I will go to suggest you guys go for the Nest.js or Express.js. This is the best one. Next is the best one is the Python. Python is the high level general purpose of programming language known for its readability, simplicity, versatility, and large active community, guys, making it one of the most popular programming language. Now we are listening all the day in chat GPT, artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, and Python is the one of the best tool to learn. So if you want to do any RESTful APIs or microservices, we need in top of Python is the just a basic programming language. So we need in Django, either Django or Flask or Fast API to make it in your frameworks, like in RESTful APIs. So Django is the high-level Python app framework known for its a clean design and rapid development capabilities. It follows the MVC architectural pattern. Next is the Flask, the lightweight and flexible Python app framework that is easy to learn and use, great for small and medium-sized applications. Next is Fast API, a modern, fast, high-performance app framework for building API with Python 3.7. It automatically generates open API and JSON schema documentation. In these three, I will suggest to go for the Django. Django is for very big applications. If you want to make it, that's the best one. Go for it. Next one is the .NET Core, ASP.NET Core, a cross-platform high performance framework for building modern cloud-based and internet-connected applications using the C#. You need to learn before going for this, and C#.NET is must and should. You need to learn about that. Next is the Spring Boot for the implementing microservices or RESTful APIs. Java is the basic, is the core Java. Java is the high-level class-based and object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as a few implementation dependencies as possible. Next is Spring Boot. Spring Boot is a Java-based framework that simplifies the development of production-ready application. It follows the convention over configuration principle. Next to suggest one is, guys, like in Laravel. If you know very well in PHP, go for Laravel. A PHP web application framework with elegant syntax and tools for tasks such as routing, caching, and authentication. This kind of thing. If you are familiar with PHP, go for PHP. Next is the Golang is the best for implement suitable for the REST API. Is the lightweight and fast. If you are familiar with the go for Golang. And Rails. Ruby on Rails, a full stack web application framework written in Ruby, known for convention over configuration. Do not repeat yourself dry principles. Next familiar one is Rocket Rust, a framework Rust programming language. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use. Few more are there, guys. And Phonics and framework, Exceler, a framework for Exceler programming language. It's designed for building highly concurrent, fault-tolerant systems. Meteor, a full-stack JavaScript framework that simplifies the development of real-time web applications. It includes both front-end and back-end components. So, in my best top five, my best ones is Express.js, Nest.js, Django, .NET, and Spring Boot. So, yeah, as I mentioned earlier, so here in terms of selection, I selected in top five best ones because earlier I was working in Java, .NET, and Express.js. Now I am working in one project is Django and with Python. Another project is the Node.js and Nest, and as well as I'm using an Express.js as well. So .NET is I love to work on that one. I finished it. I earlier projects I used to work, and Spring Boot also I used to work on that in earlier projects. And any framework is the and also here the Spring Boot and .NET is a little bit in hard to learn, guys, because you need to learn a lot of vast subject that one. And if you want to start in easy, go for the Nest.js or Express.js. Easy to start, and normal if you know JavaScript, if you know very well in normal HTML, CSS, and go for it. And Python, if you know very well in the Python, go for the Python. I'm suggesting in this one. These are all my best frameworks, and please choose wisely and learn. My best first one is go for Node.js. Very simple start to REST API, build then Nest and or Express. If you want to go for a full stack developer, this one is the nice trajectory to choose. At least you need to know JavaScript. Second best, Python and Django. Before start, you need to Python basics. Third best is ASP.NET Core, but before to start that one, this you need to C#.NET. Fourth best is Spring Boot. Before start this one is Core Java is needed, as I mentioned earlier. So that's all, guys, for this video, and catch up you later on next video, another video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.